How to use XUM Explorer. Blockchains are a chain of blocks that contain information. Each block contains data, the hash of the block, and the previous hash of a block. The data stores the details of the transaction, such as the sender, receiver, and the amount of coins. The hash of a block identifies a block and all of its contents, and is always unique. The previous hash of a block is when changes are made inside a block, thereby creating a new hash. This, effectively, creates a chain of blocks. To use XUM Explorer, go to www.xumexplorer.com. Type the address you wish to check. On this page, you can check all information such as your balance, as well as all your transactions.